Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Today we are going to start our English grammar class 7. So we are going to start our first lesson, so open your books at page 8. Well, our first lesson is about the nouns and their kinds. Before going to start our lesson, we should be clear what does noun means. Noun is actually name of place, person or thing. Nouns are divided into 5 kinds. These are common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun and material noun. Now we will study them one by one. First one is common noun. Common noun, as it is apparent from the word common noun, that it is the name of common place, person or thing, of ordinary place, person or thing. Like the examples in the book we can read at the bottom. The boy came to the office and sat down at his desk. These nouns are the names which can be used for any number of person, places or thing of the same kind. Boy, dog, gun, book, chair, man, woman. Same thing, that it is name of commonly used place, person or thing. Now we will move toward the proper noun. Proper noun, these are the names of particular or specific persons, places and things. And proper noun always starts with capital letter. And for examples, we can say like Quaid-e-Azam is the name of a particular person. Quaid-e-Azam, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Allama Iqbal, Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar, Islamabad, Lahore, Karachi. Because all these stands for specific or particular things. So proper nouns are the names of specific things, places or persons. And there could be names of the week of the days. So always when we are talking about the names of the weeks of the day, we will start them by writing in capital letter. Like in your book, you have Sunday, Monday, these are mentioned with capital letters. And the months of the year like April, May, June, these are also mentioned with first letter always started with capital letter. And the events like Christmas, Bank Holiday, Muharram, Eid, all are starting with capital letter. So it is very simple. Proper noun, which is name of specific place, person or thing. Now we will move toward the third one, which is collective noun. Collective noun, as it is apparent from the word collective, it means we are talking about many things, but we are taking them as one unit. Like names of the groups which are regarded as forming one whole. Example, the committee agreed the library should be refurnished. Here committee is collective noun. In committee there will be number of people, but we are taking committee as one. Similarly, in we used to say class 5, class 6, army, Pakistan army. All these comes into the category of collective noun. There will be number of people in class, there will be number of people in the army, but we are taking them as one unit. So these nouns are called collective nouns. Some nouns such as crowd, regiment, fleet, herd stand for the group of persons or the things regarded as forming a whole. Same thing. Now we will move toward this example. The fleet was at anchor in the harbor of Karachi. Here we can see the fleet is collective noun. We are taking as one unit. The fleet was at anchor in the harbor of Karachi. In this example, singular verb is used because fleet is considered as a whole acting together as one. I repeat, in first example, singular verb is used because fleet is considered as a whole acting together as one. And in second example, the fleet were dispersed by the storm. Here we can see that were, it is used here. In this example, plural helping verb is used because we are taking individuals separately, which compose a group but acting separately. Here now I will read the text and it will be more clear. These nouns take a singular verb if we are thinking of the group as a whole acting together as one. it is about the first example. Here we are taking the fleet as one whole unit. But if we are thinking of the individuals which compose the group, group acting separately, we use a plural verb. Here we are talking about the fleet as individual people. So as there were many, so we will use the plural helping verb. Same example is here. The committee was of the opinion that the servants should be dismissed. Here we are taking the committee as one whole. So we are using the singular verb. But in the second example, the committee were divided into their views. Here we are taking the members of the committee as individual, but they are composing to make a whole group. Here we are taking them individually, who are acting individually. So collective nouns are the nouns in which they are acting as one whole unit. So move toward the next one, which is abstract noun. These are the names of the qualities or states. If we discuss an apple, if we describe an apple, we can say it is red, small or sweet. But if we forgot about the apple and think of think of a quality by itself, we form the abstract noun as redness, smallness, sweetness. Thus an abstract relates to the qualities or states. So an abstract noun actually relates to the qualities or states. And these are the nouns in which we can't see the qualities, but we can feel it. We can just feel the quality. For example, sweetness, kindness, cruelty, or beauty. We can never touch the kindness. We can only feel the kindness. We can never touch the cruelty, kindness, but we can feel the kindness and cruelty. We can never touch the ugliness or beauty of a thing, but we can only feel. So all these kind of things in which we can only feel, but we can't touch, these are called abstract noun. Next comes material noun. These denote the matter or substance of which things are made. Very clear. Material nouns are the nouns from which different things are made. For example, gold, silver, stone. Gold is a material noun and many things are made from the gold and silver. Stone is material noun and many things are made from the stone, like constructive things, and many brick. It is used also in construction. So we can make many things from the brick, and wheat. We can make many things from the wheat and cotton. So all these which are used for making more things, these are called material nouns. So it is very easy. We have 5 kinds: common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun, and the material noun. Now move toward the exercise. Here, make a list of the nouns in the following sentences and state whether each is common, proper, collective, abstract, or material noun. We have to mention all these kinds of nouns in these sentences. So I'm going to show how you will have to do this work in your copies. So open your copies and write the name of the topic and the exercise and doing like this. Classwork and kinds, part of speech and the kinds of noun. Okay, like this. First statement is no entered ark with confidence. These statements, these are already done, and I am doing all this exercise from the copy, so it will make you more clear. First statement, no entered ark with confidence. Here in this statement we can see no. It is name of the prophet. It means it is name of particular person, so it is proper noun. Ark is name of specific ark, so we will mention it in capital letter. So it will come into the category of proper noun. In confidence, it is quality which we can just feel. So it is abstract noun. Move towards the second. The board reached their decision without a vote. Here board, which is consist of number of people. So board is collective noun. Decision, it is abstract noun because we can not touch a decision, we can only feel, and vote is a common noun. In the third one, the school cheered the headmaster's announcement that there would be holiday on Wednesday for a month. Here school is common noun, cheer abstract noun as it is feeling, headmaster again common noun, it could be any headmaster. In the Wednesday, it is name of the specific day, so it is proper noun. Now move toward the next page. Fourth statement. This chair is made of wood. Here chair and wood. Chair is common noun and wood is material noun. From wood we can make number of things. The wall is made of stone. Wall is common noun and stone is material noun. From stone we can make many things. Pakistan is a Muslim country. In this statement, Pakistan specific country's name, so it is proper noun. Muslim denoted with capital letters, so we are talking about specific things, so it is proper noun. Country, name of any country, so it is common noun. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty, we can not touch honesty, we can just feel it. So honesty is abstract noun. In policy, it is abstract noun. We can not touch the policy, we can just feel it. Virtue, virtue is quality. Virtue is its own reward. So virtue is abstract noun and reward also we can feel, it is abstract noun. Gold is precious metal. Gold, material noun because we can make many things. We can make jewelry, number of things from gold, so it is material noun. And metal, it is material noun because from metal we can make number of things, but we can also count it into common noun because it could be any simple or common metal. Okay, the board of the directors decided in his favor. Board, it is collective noun, and the directors, common noun, it could be any director. The bale of the cotton caught fire. Bale, it is collective noun, and the cotton, it is material noun. We can make many things from the cotton. Ali is the top student in our class. Ali, we are talking about some specific person, so Ali is proper noun, student common noun, and class collective noun because in class we have number of students. A herd of cattle was grazing in the field. Herd. Herd is called when there are number of collection of animals. So herd is collective noun. Field, it can be any field, and cattle can be any kind of cattle. So field and cattle comes into the category of common noun and herd comes into collective noun. I saw a heap of stones on the road. Heap, which is a kind of pile. So heap is collective noun, stone material noun, and road is common noun. Gama is the Rustam of Pakistan. It is title. So Gama, specific title. So it is proper noun, and Pakistan also proper noun. So move to our next page. Okay, he is the justice of peace. Peace means harmony. So peace is abstract noun, and justice, it is also abstract noun. We can only feel the peacefulness. Hafiz is the Iqbal of Pakistan. Here Hafiz, we are talking about some specific person. So Hafiz is proper noun. Iqbal is also proper noun in Pakistan because we are talking about a particular country. So it is proper noun. The bear lives in the wood. Bear, it is the name of an ordinary animal. So it comes into common noun. And wood, wood is a material noun. So this is the exercise which is done for you, and I think it will be quite clear that today we have done noun and their kinds, and we have done the whole exercise, so it will be quite clear to all of you. I hope it will be quite easy. So it is enough for today. Thank you and stay blessed.